Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. Hello everyone. Introduce my name is Muhammad Thariq Fathurrahman. I'm 40 years old. Uh, I work as a lawyer and I have been in the world of law for quite a long time. I will explain a little about what I do as lawyer and I will explain what a lawyer is. For example, someone asks what is a lawyer or what is a lawyer. Lawyer, advocate, or attorney is a noun subject. In the practice, it is also known as a legal consultant. Can mean someone who has to or give advice and defense on behalf for other people relate or client with the settlement of a legal case. Advocates in carrying out their profession are subject to professional ethics. The term lawyers connotes legal professional service that play a role in a dispute that can be resolved outside or inside or courtroom. In the legal profession, the term procedural law is known, which is related to procedural law arrangement in the criminal procedure code and the civil procedure code. The term lawyer is distinguished from the term legal consultant, whose activities are more about providing legal consulting service in general. Defense are carried out by lawyers again, formal or judicial and informal, or discourse. Institution are people who are certified to provide legal service, both inside and outside the court. In Indonesia, to be able to become a lawyer, a scholar with a law university background must attend special education and pass a professional examination consulted by a lawyer's organization. So, for example, someone asks what is the duty of a lawyer? A lawyer or advocate has the duty to defend the interests of society and its clients. Then, the function of an advocate is to maintain objectivity and the principle of equality before the law that applies in the Indonesian justice system. Because a lawyer has to holding the advocates out in order to apply the law, justice and truth. Well, I hope that in the future and I want to continue working to become a great and strong lawyer in holding a case. And now of my explanation about the lawyer. Now we go to teaching material about source of law. The source of law is the origin of law, binding rules that allow each country to regulate its territory, or in short, the source of law itself is everything that gives rise to binding and substantive rules, so that if rules and violate it will result in strict sanction and real to the offender. What are the source of law? I will explain in a bit. There are 5 formal sources of law that judges can use, namely laws, controversies, jurisprudence, and doctrine. Shall just decide case based on laws, international treaties, and jurisprudence. And because I live and work as a lawyer in Indonesia, Indonesia has its own source of law, namely Pancasila. Pancasila has received judicial legitimacy through the TAP MPR number XX MPRAs 1966 concerning the DPRGR memorandum concerning the source of order and order of the Republic of Indonesia and the order of regulation Republic of Indonesia law. Okay, that's now I can say about lawyers and legal search. Either are wrong words, I'm sorry. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening.